Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Krissy M and welcome back to my channel, you guys. Alright, you guys, so for today's video, I'm actually going to be giving you guys a fall makeup glam, okay? I know that I recently did like a pumpkin spice makeup tutorial, but this is more of like a fall look. So I'm giving you guys more of like the fall tones, the fall colors. So before we get into the video, you guys, make sure you guys go right now, hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload new videos because you don't want to miss anything that I bring. So let's go ahead and get into this video, guys. You guys, so I know I'm looking a hot ass mess. I'm looking horrible. I got this white stuff on my eyelids, but you guys, we're about to get into a nice, fabulous, cute, fun fall makeup look, you guys. So I've already done my brows. I've already primed my eyelids. That's why it looks white like this. I want the most pigment and the most color to come out from my from this palette that I'm going to be using today. So for my primer to prime my eyes, you guys, I use the Morphe Translucent Primer and I also use the P. Louise Remover 4. So I will tag everything down below so that way you guys are able to shop it. So let's go ahead and get into the video, you guys. So today's palette that I'm actually going to be using today is going to be the Latte palette. It's by Demi-Matte Cosmetics. I absolutely love this palette, you guys. First and foremost, let me just say this. I recently, well, I would say last year, got this palette. Not this palette, it's a different palette. That I got out of a BoxyCharm, you guys, and I thought the palette was phenomenal. I love the colors, the shades, the pigments, everything, the metallics. It was just on point. So it was only right for me to go ahead and check out her Latte too. And this palette's a little bit older, so it's not like one of her newer palettes. And I honestly don't think she has the newer palettes. This is like the newest one so far, you guys. So we're gonna do this video today using this palette today, you guys, and do like a nice, cute fall makeup glam. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, you guys, so we're actually going to start off right here with Pumpkin Spice first. We're going to do that more of like the base color, and then we're going to transition it into this color here, which is called Mocha, this nice chocolate color. And then after that, you guys, I want to add a little bit of a metallic. So we're going to use this one. I'm going to try to do more of a halo look, you guys. So let's go ahead and get into it. When I tell you guys that these, you don't even know. That this color is so pigmented. Her palettes give so much life. Like already, you guys, this is only like one little side that I'm doing right now, and this is giving off so much, you know, orange just color. So, and it's not a bright orange, you guys, it's more of like a toned orange, but instantly it's already giving me life. It's already giving me so much life. So you guys, I'm going to use this as my base color. Alright, you guys, next I'm going to go in with this mocha shade right here. Oh my gosh, this is like a deep chocolate. It looks so gorgeous. I'm actually going to use one of the brushes that I did get off of her website. It is a blend and shade. The number on this one is DSO3 if you guys just want to know. So we're going to try it out. The fibers feel pretty good and stiff on this one, and maybe able to pick up, you know, some of the color as well and give me like a nice little shade in. So oh yeah, this is just so pretty. These colors are so rich, you guys. Like, oh my gosh, like I am not disappointed with her palettes at all whatsoever. And honestly, this palette was only about $42. I feel like if I would have purchased a palette that was like way more expensive, I wouldn't have gotten this much pigment or color on my lids. I'm just saying, I'm just being real. So her palettes are so like, oh my gosh, there's so much, they're just giving me life. I absolutely love it. And so you guys, I'm just taking that mocha and I'm just putting it like on the outer part of my lid, and I'm also going to take it and put it on the inner corner of my eye. And let me tell you guys, one trick that you guys can do, I know I talked about it in my last video, you guys can take some setting spray and spray your brush just a little bit, and then go ahead and rub your brush up against the metallic or the matte, whatever you're using, and use that to kind of pick up the color and pat it on your eye. It'll give you so much pigment and so much color if you guys were to do that. So I just did that to my brush just to give me a little pick me up, even though it's still giving me so much life with this color here. It really is. You guys, now I'm going to go in with that P. Louise. I'm actually going to use more of a rounded flattened brush, and I'm actually going to do like a mini cut crease on the eye. So in the more in the center of the eye, you guys, I'm going to do a cut crease, and then we're going to add our metallic on. You guys, now that I have the cut crease kind of formed and shaped a little bit to the best of my ability, we're gonna go in with espresso, and it's going to be this shade right here, you guys. I'm actually gonna cover up that cut crease that I did with this color, and then I'm gonna go back over the top part of my eyes with the pumpkin spice again, and as well as the mocha, just to kind of deepen up that color and really make it pop out. So I went ahead and I finished up my eyes. I added on a nice little winged eye. I'm actually going to clean them up here in a little bit, and added my lashes. Now I'm going to go in with my orange corrector. I'm going to correct my dark spots underneath my eyes. I'm super uber tired. And I don't know why these dark spots or these dark circles are permanent for me. I don't know why, but you know, I need to get rid of them. So you guys, I'm actually going to go ahead and correct that right now because I want like a nice like flawless foundation look, and this is like my steps that I take to actually get that. So cleaning it up right now, you guys, and then we're gonna blend it in. And I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend that in, you guys. So next I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. This is the Hydrating Camel Concealer, you guys. This is my favorite. I use it pretty much in every video. And we're going to apply that underneath that. Oh, I just got makeup all over my camera. Set this out, you guys, with my Kylie Jenner. This is the all white translucent powder, and we're just going to set that in. We're going to set that makeup in before we add foundation. Alright, you guys, so next we're going to move into foundation. I'm actually going to be using the NARS This is their soft matte foundation, you guys. It just came out. If you have not checked out the video, I will tag it up above for you guys. The color that I'm using, guys, is called Marquise Medium Deep 5. I'm gonna have to get some more of this, but unfortunately it's out of stock right now on their website. So hopefully they hurry up and stock it back in, you guys, because this product is amazing and I want to make sure I have enough of it. So you guys, I'm just gonna cover up my whole face with this. This is like really one of my favorite products, you guys. Like, oh my gosh, it is so amazing. If you guys have not invested in this foundation, you guys need to go seriously and do that because it's so bomb. All right, you guys, I'm just gonna put this all over my face, and it's supposed to be transfer resistant, which means that if I wear my face mask today when I go out, then it's not going to, you know, transfer onto that mask. So we will see, we will see. All right, you guys, now we're gonna move into highlight and contouring, and then the lip, and then we're gonna finalize this fall makeup glam. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go in with the Morphe. This is shade 4.25. I was like to go like at least 2, maybe 3 shades lighter sometimes, just to give me that nice highlight. But this is one of my favorite concealers that I do use to highlight besides the e.l.f. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. And then I'm gonna blend that out with a damp beauty blender, you guys. So now that I'm done adding on that concealer for my highlight, I'm actually going to go in right now with my Laura Mercier Honey Translucent Powder, and we're just going to set that. This is what it looks like, you guys. Amazing, 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 amazing product. You guys need to try it out. Have to. And again, I'm using a damp beauty blender, and I'm using more of a pointed end of a beauty blender just so I can blend this out really nicely onto my face. This beauty blender is actually pretty good for this, you guys. And actually, you guys, take that back. I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face right now while I have this baking powder on. It'll be easier for me to remove afterwards. And then we can get into the blush and highlight and lips. So this is a true Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. This is my holy grail. Favorite palette, you guys. If you guys have not used it, if you guys have not tried it, make sure you guys go and check this palette out. This is like one of my favorites, especially if you're a beginner and getting into makeup. This is a great palette to try. Oh my gosh, you guys. What is that? That's in here. That's weird. Okay, whatever. You guys, so for blush, I'm actually going to use the same palette to do like a nice little blush, and I'm going to go back in with that pumpkin spice. Because this is a pumpkin, this is a fall makeup look, I want to kind of keep the orange there and bright and pretty, and you know, this is a really, really pretty orange, and I really want to utilize this color out of the palette. So I'm going to lightly brush it onto the cheeks. And you guys, don't be afraid to use the palette, the eyeshadow palette, to make you a blush. Like, that's what it's there for. Like, the colors are so rich. A lot of the times it looks really, really good on the face. All right, you guys, so next I'm gonna go in with my Victoria's Secret Glitter Dust, and I'm actually gonna go over that orange with that just to balance the colors out so my face is not looking so orangey. Guys, and then lastly, on Demi-Matte Cosmetics, her website, she came out with these cute little matte, it's like a soft Demi-Matte lipstick. Oh my gosh. And she came out with like a lot of pretty new colors. So I picked up Freckles, you guys. This is what it looks like. I'm going to swatch it on my hand so that way you guys can actually see the color. So this is the color of Freckles. Now you guys, a lot of the colors are sold out, including this one. She only has 2 colors that is left that is available, so hopefully she does like a restock soon because I wanted to pick up a couple of other colors. So I'm now going to put this on my lip, you guys, and we're going to finalize this makeup look. So I added my lip. I went ahead and finished up my hair and everything too, you guys. Let me scoot back so you guys can see it. I kind of did like a 90s style hairstyle, so I was feeling a 90 vibes today. But anyways, you guys, that concludes today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys go right now, hit the subscribe button and a post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.